During a campaign event in South Carolina on January 8, pro-Palestinian supporters interrupted United States President Joe Biden urging a ceasefire in Gaza amid the ongoing conflict between Israel and the Palestinian militant group Hamas. The interruption occurred at the Mother Emanuel AME, a black church, where a mass shooting took place in 2015, claiming the lives of 9 people at the hands of a reported white supremacist shooter. If you really care about the lives lost here, you should honor the lives and also call for a ceasefire in Palestine, a woman was heard shouting. Subsequently, the group of protesters began chanting, "Ceasefire now." They were then asked to leave as Biden supporters in the crowd began chanting 4 more years. Hamas launched a deadly attack against Israel on October 7, resulting in Israeli officials reporting approximately 1,200 casualties and around 240 hostages taken back to Gaza. In response, Israel initiated constant bombardment and a ground operation in Gaza. According to the latest update from the Hamas-run Health Ministry, at least 23,000 people, predominantly women and children in the Palestinian enclave, have lost their lives. The Biden administration and President Biden have consistently supported Israel throughout this conflict, facing criticism, especially from young voters, for its stance. In response to protests, President Biden acknowledged the concerns and stated that he is quietly working with the Israeli government to encourage a significant withdrawal from Gaza. He mentioned using all available means to achieve this goal amid the escalating humanitarian crisis and mounting death toll in the region.
I've been quietly working with the Israeli government to get them to reduce and significantly get out of Gaza.
US Secretary of State Antony Blinken arrived in Tel Aviv on Monday for a crucial visit as American allies who had initially supported Israel are now expressing growing concern over the escalating civilian death toll in Gaza. Blinken's high-stakes trip aims to address the situation and prevent the Gaza conflict from further escalation. During his visit, the top US diplomat is expected to engage with Israeli officials, urging them to take measures to reduce civilian casualties in the Gaza Strip. Blinken's presence marks the latest in a series of visits by officials from the Biden administration to Tel Aviv, demonstrating the ongoing diplomatic efforts to address the conflict. Notably, this visit is Blinken's 5th to Israel since the beginning of the war.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.